Hey guys, Eliza here from billionairecomingsoon.com, which if you have not already picked up your shirt, so y'all can see it. I mean, what are you waiting for? All right, guys, so today I'm going to talk about can you make money with Shopify and how? So the first answer to that question is yes, you can make money with Shopify. So Shopify is basically just a website that allows you to sell products, right? Whether that's digital products or physical products, whatever it is that you sell, it makes it extremely easy for you to sell. Now, Eliza, I don't have a product. Great, because that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about here. I'm going to talk about why Shopify makes it so easy for you to make money online without having a product. And what we're going to be talking about is drop shipping. Ding, ding, ding. You got it. You got it. If that's what you were thinking. Yes, I am talking about drop shipping. Now, why did they make it so easy for you? Is because of this little baby right here that you're looking at in front of my screen, the Shopify App Store. So Shopify has a section, their application store, that allows you to buy, not to buy, that allows you to add plugins to your site that makes it very easy for you to sell when you don't have a product. For example, me, I have a drop shipping site where I sell products from AliExpress, and then I also have my Billionaire Coming Soon site where I sell my print-on-demand products. So today I'm going to share with you 4 applications that you can use right now to get started making money online using Shopify. So the first application that you can use with the Shopify site is, let me go on here so I can search it up in my notes, Oberlo. So Oberlo makes it extremely easy, and it is free for you to buy products from AliExpress. AliExpress is basically the Amazon of China. So yes, your products will be coming from China, guys, but it works. And Oberlo has all the things you can possibly think of in the world. Go ahead, check out AliExpress when you're done with this video. So basically, Oberlo is connected directly with AliExpress, and it's a free application. And pretty much, if you go on their sites and you add this plugin to your website, then you have access to all those products, and all you have to do is click a button, edit your descriptions, edit your prices, and boom, it is up on your site. So that is my first recommendation for you to make money online using Shopify with Oberlo. That's the first site. The second option is print on demand, which the most popular one is Printful, but I'm using right now Printify. So I mean, I'm using all 3 actually. I use Printify, I use Print on Demand, and I was using T-Launch, but I stopped using them. I can talk about all of my Print on Demand experiences. If you guys are interested, drop that in the comments. I will let you know why I switched, which ones I'm using, which ones I'm not using. That could be a whole video. So Print on Demand is just pretty much when you are getting your products such as t-shirts, such as mugs, like this one right here, pillowcases, bags like the one you see up there, right? All of that is being printed for you on demand. So whenever somebody goes on your website, the application that you decide to use is going to fulfill that order for you, so you have no inventory in your house. That is exactly what drop shipping is. So my recommendation is Printify. However, you can literally just put in the search box here, print on demand, and you will get a lot of options. You see Printify, Printful, Printful, Printy6. There's a lot of shit here, guys. Printify has a free option, and Printful is completely free. They have a lot of products, like I said, mugs, t-shirts, pillows, all that good stuff. And all you have to do is upload your design. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that is app number 2 that allows you to sell products on your Shopify site, and you can get started today making money, right? Number three, for my ladies out there who want to open up their own boutique, this little site right here. Is this what it's called? My online store? Oh yes, my online fashion store. So this one actually has a 14-day free trial. Check it out, check it out. So it has a lot of clothes, guys. So as you can see, they sell women's fashion clothes. It's here in the US. They do the drop shipping for you, so they fulfill the orders for you. All you have to do is click and they post the products on your site, and when somebody purchases, you get that money. And it is $30 a month after the 14-day free trial, so just something to think about. And my recommendation number 4, again, for my ladies or my males, but this video is for my girls. I need my ladies to make money. That's what the Billionaire Coming Soon is all about. It is the beauty dropship. Write all these apps down. Write all these apps down. Oh, Dropship Beauty. That's what it's called. This has a free plan available. So they have hair extension, wigs, lashes. You already know. You already know. All the shit that us women love. Most women. I don't use any of this shit, but I know a lot of women that spend a lot of money on this, guys. So if you have a poppin' brands, you are set, sis. So they have different pricing, right? As you can see, $9.99 a month, $20 a month. Depends on how many orders you're getting. But another thing is you can always look at the reviews. And I'm telling you, Shopify has so many unlimited ways for you to make money. Do not sleep on it. And these are just 4 recommendations from me. I hope you guys found this useful. Please make sure you go ahead, you like, you subscribe, drop down any questions. And of course, if you're watching, you have other recommendations, drop them down in the comments. Hello. I'll see you guys on the next video.